In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Airtable AI field. We'll walk through a simple example together so you can see exactly how this tool fits into your existing base and how it can help you analyze and summarize your data without leaving Airtable. First, open the base where you want to use AI. In this example, we're working in a base with an imported table, but you can follow along with any base you already have set up. Make sure you're looking at the right table and view, so the records you want to analyze are visible. This matters because the AI field will work with the data that's currently available in your table. Next, look for the AI tool in your interface, called Omni. This is Airtable's built-in AI assistant. You'll usually find it in the toolbar or along the side of your screen, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on Omni to open up the AI panel. This panel is where you'll type in prompts and choose how you want AI to interact with your records. Inside the Omni panel, start by typing the word highlight. In this context, we're asking the AI to pull out highlights from the data in your table, such as key points from long text fields, descriptions, or notes. Typing a clear keyword like highlight helps Omni suggest relevant actions and templates that are already tuned for this kind of task. Once you've typed your prompt, look for the recommended options that appear. Click on the recommended section. These are pre-configured AI actions that Airtable suggests based on what you've typed and the structure of your table. Using these recommendations is a great way to get started quickly without having to design your own prompt from scratch. Now, choose the option to ask the AI your question, or run your prompt by clicking on Ask. This tells Omni to apply your highlight request to your selected data using the recommended setup. At this point, the AI understands what you're trying to do and is ready to process your records. Next, click on Analyze. This step is where Omni examines the data in your table according to your request. For example, it might read through a long text field in each record and identify the main takeaway or most important sentence. Finally, click on Build. This creates the actual AI field or configuration in your base, so the output of the analysis appears directly in your table. From here, you can tweak the field, adjust your prompts, and reuse this setup on future records.